Cracked patio surfaces are not just an eyesore but can also lead to bigger problems if you don't fix them right away. So, if you notice cracks showing up on your patio, the first thing you want to do is clean the area real good, no dirt or loose bits hanging around. Then, for small to medium cracks, grab some epoxy or a concrete patch and fill those suckers in carefully. Make sure you smooth it out so it blends with the rest of the patio. If you've got bigger, gnarly cracks or chunks missing, it's usually better to replace those sections instead of patching, because just slapping some filler on won't hold up long term. Always check the weather forecast before you start. Doing this on a dry day makes the patch or epoxy cure properly. After filling or replacing, keep the area off limits for at least 24 to 48 hours to let everything set without getting messed up. Using a sealant over the whole patio after repairs can help keep water out and stop new cracks from forming. And hey, if you want your patio to last, avoid putting super heavy stuff on it until the repair is rock solid. Keep an eye out yearly and do little touch-ups before things get out of hand. One of the biggest mistakes people make with cracked patios is ignoring small cracks until they get huge and expensive to fix. Catching them early saves you a ton of money and hassle. Another common issue is using the wrong type of concrete patch or epoxy that doesn't bond well, so make sure you pick products made specifically for outdoor concrete repair. Lastly, not prepping the surface properly before applying the filler is a big no-no. If you skip cleaning or drying the cracks first, the repair won't stick and will just peel off quickly. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without all the stress of searching around. It also makes life easier for contractors by connecting them with people who actually need their skills, so everyone wins.